Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll be giving you a quick guide on how you can create an item and track inventory in Zoho Books. This is useful for monitoring stock and managing sales efficiently. So once you've logged into your Zoho Books account, you will just have to go to your items section, which is right here, and then just go ahead and click items, click this plus button right here, and then what you will have to do is of course enter the item details, so whether it's a service or goods. So just go ahead and choose any that matches what you need. So for the name, of course, fill that out, fill that in, and the SKU, the unit, and the tax preference, and yeah, that's basically just it. And if you wanna track inventory for this item, what you will have to do is you will toggle it on. So you have to make sure first that that you've already created transaction for this item so that you will be able to actually track inventory. And again, you do have to make sure that you actually have the full version or the right plan for this feature so that you will be able to do that. So once you toggle the inventory tracking on, you will just have to enter the opening stock quantity and reorder level. And once you're satisfied with everything, you will just have to click this save button right here, and then the item should now appear in your items list. And then after that, if you want to monitor your inventory, you should look for the reports, which is right here. So yeah, so you should see it right here or somewhere else, but it really depends on the layout of your screen. And then go ahead and click inventory. And then what you will have to do is you will look for the inventory summary. So yeah, it should be somewhere right here. So you just gotta explore. It really depends on the layout. And yeah, that's basically just it. And I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.